A letter by Dolores Murat Etienne. Dear future generations of Haiti, you were born from strength. Before our land was broken, before fear stalked our neighborhoods, before our people were scattered, we were an empire. A radiant land once called Hispaniola, where the air whispered of freedom and the earth carried the spirit of a people who defied the impossible. Haiti was more than a country. It was a beacon, a sanctuary, a voice for the voiceless across the world. To step foot on Haitian soil was to feel something no map could show. The silence of liberty. People felt it. They still do. That's why history will never forget this country. Because we are not just victims of our time. We are the creators of liberation. We were the first Black republic, the only nation born from a successful slave revolt. We inspired the world. Our revolution was not just for us. It lit fires of freedom across Latin America, Africa, and even parts of Europe. Haiti helped other nations believe they too could be free. You must never forget this. You carry this history in your blood, in your breath, in your spine. You are the descendants of those who refused chains. And we see it in you. Even now, we see your fire. We see that you don't want to give up. So don't. Because this darkness, this silence, this fear, it is not who we are. We are not the collapsed homes, the shattered schools, the empty bellies. We are the resilient that rises even when all else falls. Haitians do not surrender. Even with nothing, we find something. Even in emptiness, we find strength. Even in exile, we carry home within us. This is not the time to give up. Haiti, this is not the time to raise the white flag. We are calling on you, the youth, the diaspora, the ones born far but still bound by blood, to stand up and remember the Haiti you have read about, the Haiti your grandfather told you about, the Haiti your great-grandmother prayed over, the Haiti others don't want you to see, don't want you to live, don't want you to restore. That Haiti still exists. It lives inside of you. And to reclaim it, you must use everything within you. Your voice, your knowledge, your courage, your faith. Take the wisdom passed down through generations. Rise with it, build with it, and never let yourselves be divided again. Remember our motto, l'union fait la force. In unity, we are strong. And when we are strong, we are unstoppable. Build a country where no child goes to bed afraid, where no mother fears sending her child to school, where no Haitian has to run from their homeland just to survive. A Haiti where freedom is not a memory, but a living, breathing right. We place our hope in you, not because we have no choice, but because we believe in you, because you are Haiti's future, and Haiti's future still holds greatness. With all the strength we have left, the people who dream of a better Haiti. Dolores Murat Etienne.